In today's video, I'm going to teach you web browser sign-in. If you want to access your Outlook or Hotmail email from any computer, this walkthrough will help you sign in smoothly and securely, whether you're on a personal device or using a shared computer. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type outlook.com or account.microsoft.com and press enter. Make sure it's the official Microsoft site and that you see the secure lock icon. This helps protect you from phishing pages that mimic the real site. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and select the Sign In button. This takes you to the Microsoft Sign In page. The layout is consistent across Outlook and the main Microsoft account site. Next, enter your full email address. Include the full domain and double-check for typos. Click Next. If your browser suggests a previously used address, only accept it if on a trusted device. On the next screen, type your password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off, and avoid pasting from public clipboards. Password managers on personal devices can help. Click Sign In. Depending on security settings, you may see additional verification prompts. You may then be asked if you want to stay signed in. On a personal, secure device, selecting Yes saves time for future access. On public or shared devices, always select No to prevent account access after leaving the computer. That's it, you're signed in. You can now check your inbox, manage settings, and continue your day. If anything looks unusual, verify the website address and close the tab if necessary. On shared devices, remember to sign out when done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer, smoother sign-in experience.